Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to resell branded apps in GoHighLevel for your agency. This feature allows you to offer white-labeled mobile and client portal apps to your clients under your own brand and pricing, creating an additional revenue stream for your agency. First, open your web browser and head to GoHighLevel.com. Sign in to your GoHighLevel agency account using your credentials. Make sure you're logging in with your agency level account, not a sub account, as this feature is only accessible at the agency level. Once you're logged in, take a moment to confirm you're in the agency view. You can verify this by checking the top navigation bar or your profile area in the upper right corner. If you see anything indicating you're in a sub account or location view, switch back to agency view before proceeding. This ensures you have access to all the agency level settings we'll need. Now look for the reselling option in your main navigation menu and click on it. This section is specifically designed for agencies looking to monetize GoHighLevel's features by reselling them to clients. The reselling area controls all the pricing and billing configurations for services you want to offer under your own brand. Before you can start reselling apps, you'll need to connect your agency's Stripe account if you haven't already. Look for the option to connect or verify your Stripe account within the reselling section. Click on it and follow the prompts to authorize and link your Stripe account to GoHighLevel. This connection is essential because it's how you'll collect payments from your clients for the branded apps you're selling. Next, you'll want to enable the branded app resell feature if it's not already active. Look for a toggle or checkbox that allows you to enable reselling of branded client portal and mobile apps for your agency. Switch this option on to unlock the ability to sell these apps to your clients. Finally, it's time to set your pricing. In the reselling area, you'll see options to configure your agency-wide pricing for each app type. Click on each app you want to resell and enter your own price plans. You can create different pricing tiers if multiple options exist, giving you flexibility in how you package and sell these apps. Set prices that work for your business model while remaining competitive in your market. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.